Hello everyone, Adam here, and I am thrilled to share some exciting news with you. The Smarter Business Network has just launched new special pricing for their most requested and popular resources. The prices are absolutely mind-blowing. There are lead magnet kits, business checklist sets, social media kits, and more. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Now, as a bit of background, the Smarter Business Network was created with you in mind. It provides training on essential business models, core competencies, and skills that every business owner needs to succeed. But it doesn't stop there. Within the network, there is so much more to explore. You'll find an affiliate program, a supportive community, regular coaching and mentoring sessions, a shop filled with tools and resources, and even a platform where members can list their own products and services for others to take advantage of. The focus of the network is entirely on you, the entrepreneur. By becoming a member of our community, through membership, or minimally through the purchase of one of our resource offers, you get less of the things that stress you out with the business. You will spend less money on tools and resources, you will definitely waste less time, and most certainly you will find you can eliminate buying unnecessary tools and products from sometimes shady vendors. Instead, you will gain more successes faster as you go about your business. You will be building additional real income streams while potentially earning affiliate income as well, and you will access reasonably priced tools that work and resources specific to the business that you need. And lastly, you become part of a real community that provides the needed coaching and support to help you grow your business faster. Right now, as mentioned, there is some special pricing on our most popular resources that our members use regularly as they go about the business of running their business. Currently, members can get good prices through the member resource shop, typically lower than the public shop we operate. But we have an even better deal launching. By signing up for a monthly membership to one or more of the current offers, you can save over the membership prices, and if you select the annual versus monthly plans, you can save even more. These resources are going to help you generate leads, conduct your business in a more consistent manner, and get content out there to the public faster. This is why people love them. All good outcomes for an entrepreneur. Remember, our focus is on you. Prices for these resources have never been lower. Within the Smarter Business community, you can get advice and use case examples to make these resources provide the maximum bang for the buck too, for you and your business. You might be thinking, well, there are sales everywhere on business resources. And you're right. But let me tell you, this is where the story gets interesting. There's a difference between all those other sales and sites and the Smarter Business Academy sale and site. Here's why. Within the Smarter Business Network, we have Coach Dave, the mastermind behind it all. He's a seasoned serial entrepreneur and a decades-long teacher who isn't afraid to take the road less traveled. Through all this time and experience, his secret to success has been simple. Take the road less traveled as mentioned, and the other factor is implementing that four-letter word some people hate, work. So there are a lot of roads he's been on over the years as he has been doing business, and there have been lots of visits to far-flung haunts that have been a routine part of his professional journey. At the core of it all, the thread linking it all together has been the prior planning and working of that plan consistently, day in and day out. This methodology can be effective for any business owner. That is also where the difference lies with the smart business resources on offer. Dave knows what works and what doesn't, what a waste of money might be and what is not. He has been there, walked the walk, and has the t-shirt, so to speak. He has now added special sale pricing on resource offers in the Academy shop to enable a whole new set of entrepreneurs to prosper. He knows many of these go-getters can be helped when they join the Smarter Business Network and start using the tools, training, and resources offered. So go check the offers out and act fast before Coach Dave raises the prices to bring them more in line with the market. Right now, the savings are substantial for you. While there on the shop page, also check out some of the other special offers. Dave is very serious about having you join us. See for yourself how serious he is based on the sale prices. We will see you inside, and thanks for tuning in. This is Adam, on behalf of Coach Dave and the Smart Business Network, signing off. Cheers.